Welcome back to our course on HTML5, and today we'll be talking about the doc type. All right, remember when we talked about the doc type in our previous videos, we said is the first content that we should have on our HTML file. All right, so let's see that play out. We've already done that on bit of that on comments. Actually, we've done it on comment, but let's just look at it separately and talk about what it is. Now, I want you to pay very attention to this now. For each of our classes, there's a way we are going to arrange our files. All right. So, but this index file will always be where I would do every single thing I'll be doing for this course. But then, since this one is for our comments, so I would, okay. So I will do something we've not done, but then when we get to it, I will tell you about it. All right. Okay, so I'll call these comments. That will be the title of this file. So then I'll create a file here. I'll call it one comments.html. So I want it to be arranged in order, not alphabetical order, but in the order in which we are treating them. All right. So remember, the use of autosave is helping me save this file, so I don't really need to keep saving them. So we move on to the next file, the next exercise, which is DOCTYPE. All right, so I'm going to clear this out. Now, if you can see from my browser over here, it's been cleared out. So we might not be needing to look at the browser this time around. So now I told you the DOCTYPE is the first element that should be on your HTML page. All right, so to declare your DOCTYPE, you start with the opening angle bracket, an exclamation mark, then you now type in the DOCTYPE. All right, now it is not case sensitive, so I could just do it this way. DOCTYPE. Okay, and it is still the same thing, so it is not case sensitive, but I prefer using the capital letter. All right, so now this is our DOCTYPE. Then the next thing you can do, which is optional, is to add the HTML text here before the closing angle bracket. All right, so that is it for the DOCTYPE, and this is basically how we declare our DOCTYPE. There's nothing much to it. So like we said in our previous videos, it helps the browser to identify the contents, all right, in your web page. Okay, so and it's also it kind of tells the browser the document type that you are talking about. Okay, so that's just basically it for the DOCTYPE. In our next class, we'll talk about the HTML tag.